It's easy to feel helpless during a recession, but fear not, because we've got you covered with this 15 recession-proof money hacks that will help you weather any financial storm. Number 1, start small, save big. Every penny counts, so start by putting your loose change into a piggy bank. You'll be surprised at how quickly it adds up. We've all heard the phrase "a penny saved is a penny earned," and it's never been more true than during a recession. Every little bit counts, and that's why starting small with your savings can make a big impact. One way to start is by collecting your loose change and putting it in a piggy bank. It may not seem like much at first, but over time, those pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters can add up to a substantial amount. Plus, it's a fun and easy way to start a savings habit. Number 2, meal prep and save. Cooking at home can save you a ton of money, and meal prepping can save you time too. Plan your meals for the week and shop with a grocery list to avoid impulse purchases. Eating out or ordering takeout can be a major expense, especially during a recession. By planning your meals for the week, you can make sure that you have all the ingredients you need and avoid the temptation of eating out. Meal prepping takes it one step further by preparing your meals in advance, which can save you time during the week. You can cook a large batch of a meal on the weekend and portion it out for the week ahead. This way, you won't have to spend time cooking and cleaning up every night, which can be especially helpful if you're busy or have a tight schedule. In conclusion, meal prepping can save you both time and money. By planning your meals for the week, shopping with a grocery list, and preparing your meals in advance, you can avoid the temptation of eating out and reduce food waste. So start meal prepping today and see the savings add up. Number 3, say goodbye to bottled water. Invest in a reusable water bottle and save money on the go. Plus, it's better for the environment. Bottled water may seem convenient, but it can also be a significant expense, especially if you're someone who is always on the go. Fortunately, there is a simple solution to this problem. Invest in a reusable water bottle. This is especially helpful if you live in an area with high water prices, as it can significantly reduce your monthly expenses. Not only is using a reusable water bottle better for your wallet, it's also better for the environment. When choosing a reusable water bottle, there are many options available, from stainless steel to glass to BPA-free plastic. In summary, saying goodbye to bottled water and investing in a reusable water bottle can save you money on the go and reduce your environmental footprint. So make the switch today and start enjoying the benefits of using a reusable water bottle. Number 4, get moving. Skip the gym membership and take up biking or running. It's free, it's healthy, and it can be a great stress reliever. Exercising regularly is an important part of a healthy lifestyle, but it can be costly if you have a gym membership or hire a personal trainer. Fortunately, there are many ways to stay active without breaking the bank, and one of the best ways is to take up biking or running. Biking and running are both great forms of cardiovascular exercise that can help you burn calories and improve your overall health. They are also both free, as all you need is a good pair of shoes or a bike. You can even save money by buying a used bike, rather than investing in a brand new one. In conclusion, getting moving with biking or running can be a great way to stay active, improve your health, and reduce stress, all without breaking the bank. So grab your running shoes or bike and hit the road today. Number 5, borrow, don't buy. Save money on books, movies, and music by borrowing them from the library. You'll have access to a wide selection without spending a dime. If you're an avid reader, movie watcher, or music listener, the cost of purchasing these items can add up quickly. But there's a simple solution to this problem. Borrow them from your local library. In addition to being a great money-saving option, borrowing from the library can also be a more sustainable choice. By borrowing instead of buying, you're reducing the amount of waste that ends up in landfills or oceans. Many libraries also offer digital lending options, allowing you to access books, movies, and music from your computer or mobile device. This means you can enjoy your favorite materials on the go without having to carry around physical copies. Number 6, explore your city. There's no need to spend money on expensive vacations. Take a day trip to a nearby town, hike in a local park, or explore a museum. You'll be surprised at what your city has to offer. You don't have to go far to have a great adventure or experience something new. There are likely many hidden gems in your own city or nearby towns that you haven't discovered yet. Start by doing some research on local attractions, events, and activities. Many cities have free or low-cost museums, galleries, and cultural centers that you can visit. Check out the websites of your local parks and recreation departments to find information on local hiking trails, bike paths, and outdoor activities. You can also look for free events, such as outdoor concerts, festivals, and fairs. This is a great way to save money on travel and discover new experiences. With a little research and planning, you can find many free or low-cost attractions, events, and activities that you may not have known about. So, grab a friend or family member, pack a bag, and start exploring what your city has to offer. Number 7. BYOB, bring your own bag. Save money and help the environment by bringing your own reusable shopping bags to the grocery store. Single-use plastic bags are a major source of pollution, and they are also a waste of money. Many stores charge a fee for each plastic bag used, and these fees can add up quickly over time. However, there is an easy solution to this problem. Bring your own reusable shopping bags to the grocery store. Reusable shopping bags come in a variety of sizes and materials, from canvas to nylon. They're durable, long-lasting, and can hold more than traditional plastic bags. By bringing your own bags, you not only save money on the cost of disposable bags, but you also reduce the amount of plastic waste that ends up in landfills and oceans. This is a simple and easy habit to adopt. Just keep a few reusable bags in your car or by your front door, so you always have them on hand when you head to the store. By adopting this habit, you can reduce plastic waste, save money on bag fees, and even express your personal style. So grab some bags and start BYOBing today. Number 8. DIY. Make your own jams, pickles, and other canned goods. It's a fun hobby that can save you money on groceries. Do-it-yourself projects have gained a lot of popularity in recent years, and for good reason. When you make your own canned goods, you can control the quality and ingredients, which can result in healthier and tastier products. Plus, you can customize the recipes to suit your taste preferences, and you can make the quantities that you need, reducing the risk of waste. Making your own canned goods can also be a great way to use up excess produce that you may have from your garden or local farmer's market. This can help you reduce food waste, save money on produce, and ensure that you have delicious, homemade jams and pickles to enjoy throughout the year. In conclusion, is a fun and rewarding DIY project. With a little investment in equipment and some basic ingredients, you can enjoy homemade, healthier, and customized products that you'll be proud to share with your friends and family. So, roll up your sleeves and get canning. Number 9. Travel smart. If you do want to travel, do it on a budget. Research deals on flights, accommodations, and activities before you go. Traveling can be a wonderful way to explore new places, experience different cultures, and create lasting memories. However, it can also be a costly expense that drains your bank account. That's why it's important to travel smart and find ways to enjoy your trip while staying within your budget. One way to save money on travel is to do your research before you go. Look for deals on flights, accommodations, and activities, and compare prices from different sources to find the best value for your money. Websites like Kayak, Expedia, and Travelocity can help you find the best deals on flights and hotels, while Groupon and Living Social offer discounted prices on local activities and experiences. Another way to save money on travel is to be flexible with your travel dates. Flights and accommodations are often cheaper during off-peak times, so consider traveling during the shoulder season or midweek to save money. Also, consider using public transportation or walking to get around, rather than renting a car or taking taxis, which can add up quickly. Also, you can look for free or low-cost activities to do during your trip. Many cities offer free walking tours, public parks, and museums, so take advantage of these opportunities to learn about the local culture and history without spending a lot of money. In conclusion, traveling on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing the quality of your trip. By doing your research, being flexible, and seeking out deals and free activities, you can save money while still having a great time. So, pack your bags and hit the road, knowing that you're making smart choices for your wallet and your adventure. Number 10. Track your spendings. Use a budgeting app or simply keep track of your expenses in a spreadsheet. Knowing where your money is going can help you make smarter financial decisions. If you're not sure where your money is going each month, it can be difficult to make informed financial decisions. That's why it's important to track your spending so you can get a clear picture of your monthly expenses and where you can cut back. One way to do this is to use a budgeting app like Mint. Why enable you need a budget or pocket guard. These apps allow you to link your bank accounts and credit cards to track your expenses automatically. You can set up budgets for different categories, such as groceries, entertainment, and transportation, and the app will notify you when you're getting close to your limit. If you prefer to track your expenses manually, you can use a simple spreadsheet or even a notebook to record your spending. Write down everything you spend money on, including small purchases like coffee or snacks, and categorize them by type of expense. This will help you see where your money is going and where you can cut back. Once you have a clear picture of your spending, you can start making adjustments to your budget. Look for areas where you can reduce your spending, such as eating out less or cutting back on subscriptions. You can also set savings goals for the future, such as a down payment on a house or a vacation. By tracking your spending and creating a budget, you can make smarter financial decisions and take control of your finances. Number 11, brew your own coffee. Save money by making your own coffee at home instead of stopping at the coffee shop every day. If you're a coffee lover, you know how expensive it can be to buy coffee from a coffee shop every day. But by brewing your own coffee at home, you can save a lot of money and still enjoy a delicious cup of coffee. To start, invest in a good coffee maker that fits your budget and preferences. There are many options available, from simple drip coffee makers to more advanced espresso machines. You can also choose from a variety of coffee beans and grounds to find the perfect flavor for your taste. Brewing your own coffee at home can also be a great way to experiment with new flavors and brewing methods. You can try different types of coffee beans or grounds, experiment with cold brew or French press methods, and even add different spices or syrups to create unique and delicious coffee blends. By brewing your own coffee at home, you can save money in the long run and still enjoy a high-quality cup of coffee every day. Plus, you can feel good about reducing waste and supporting sustainable practices by using a reusable coffee mug or travel cup when you're on the go. So why not give it a try and see how much you can save? Number 12, don't waste food. Make sure to use up your leftovers and plan your meals to avoid throwing away food. It's good for your wallet and good for the planet. Throwing away food is not only a waste of money, but it's also bad for the environment. When food is wasted, it ends up in landfills where it can produce methane, a potent greenhouse gas that contributes to climate change. So, by making an effort to avoid food waste, you can not only save money, but also help protect the planet. One way to reduce food waste is by planning your meals and only buying what you need. Before you go to the grocery store, take a look at your pantry and fridge and make a list of the ingredients you need for the meals you want to make. Stick to your list while shopping and avoid buying unnecessary items that may go to waste. Another way to avoid food waste is by using up your leftovers. Before throwing away any food, try to find creative ways to use it in a new recipe. You can also freeze leftovers and save them for a later date. By making an effort to reduce food waste, you can save money, reduce your carbon footprint, and even help feed others in need by donating excess food to food banks or community organizations. So, next time you're tempted to throw away leftovers or expired food, think twice and find a way to use it up instead. Number 13, make extra money. Making extra money can be a great way to boost your income and achieve your financial goals. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or just have some extra spending money, there are many ways to make money on the side. Here are some ideas to consider. Freelancing. If you have a particular skill or expertise, you can offer your services as a freelancer. This can include writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, and more. There are many online platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer that can connect you with potential clients. Selling online. If you have a talent for crafting, consider selling your creations online. You can create an online store on platforms like Etsy or Shopify, or sell through social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Online tutoring or teaching. If you have teaching experience or expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring or teaching services. Platforms like VipKid, Tutorum, and Check can connect you with students in need of academic support. Pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, consider offering pet sitting or dog walking services in your local area. You can advertise your services on sites like Rover or Care.com or through social media and word of mouth. Renting out your space. If you have a spare room, a vacation home, or even just a parking spot, you can rent it out through platforms like Airbnb or Turo. This can be a great way to earn extra income with minimal effort. Whatever side hustle you choose, make sure it's something you enjoy and that fits with your schedule and lifestyle. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn your skills and interests into a lucrative side gig. Number 14, enjoy the simple things. In a world that often seems to value material possessions and expensive experiences, it's easy to forget that there's joy to be found in the simple things. You don't need to spend a lot of money to appreciate the beauty of the world around you. Here are a few ways to enjoy the simple things in life. Stargazing. On a clear night, head outside and look up at the stars. This can be a peaceful and awe-inspiring experience that costs nothing. You can even download an app like Skyview to help you identify constellations. Take a walk. Walking is a great way to clear your mind, get some exercise, and enjoy the outdoors. Take a stroll around your neighborhood or a local park and take in the sights, sounds, and smells of nature. Watch the sunset. Sunsets are a beautiful and fleeting experience that are free for all to enjoy. Find a spot with a clear view of the horizon and watch as the sky changes colors. Picnic in the park. Pack a simple meal and head to a nearby park for a picnic. This can be a fun and inexpensive way to enjoy a meal with loved ones while enjoying the great outdoors. Read a book. There's nothing quite like getting lost in a good book. Whether you borrow a book from the library or read on your phone or e-reader, reading is a great way to relax and escape into a different world. These are just a few ideas to get you started. The important thing is to find activities that bring you joy and help you appreciate the simple things in life. You can find happiness and fulfillment without spending a lot of money. Number 15, invest in yourself. Take the time to learn new skills and advance your career. Investing in yourself can pay off in the long run. Investing in yourself is one of the best ways to secure your financial future. By improving your skills and knowledge, you can increase your earning potential and make yourself more marketable in the job market. Here are some ways to invest in yourself. Take courses and workshops. Consider taking courses and workshops that will help you develop new skills or improve existing ones. Many universities and community colleges offer courses on a wide range of topics, including business, technology, and the arts. You can also find free online courses from reputable sources like Coursera, X, and Khan Academy. Attend conferences and networking events. Attend industry conferences and networking events to meet new people and stay up to date on the latest trends and developments in your field. This is also a great way to make connections that can lead to new job opportunities. Read books and articles. Reading is a great way to learn new things and improve your skills. Look for books and articles in your field or on topics that interest you. You can also find free articles online or subscribe to industry publications. Investing in yourself is not only beneficial for your career, but it can also help you achieve personal growth and fulfillment. By taking the time to learn new things and improve your skills, you can build confidence and self-esteem and find new opportunities to pursue your passions. If you found these hacks helpful, let's team up and do our part to stop the recession. Share this video with your friends and hit the like button to help it spread to others. Together, we can make a difference and help others navigate these challenging times. Find out more in the next video.